Hey guys, welcome back to our breathing series. I am Fabio and today we're talking about the full yogic breath. Breathing is the most natural thing. We've been doing it since day one, but surprisingly almost none of us can do it properly. And that's because of a mix of factors that can be habits, lifestyle, bad posture, and all this together causes bad breathing habits. As you know, if you have been practicing yoga for a while, the breath and the mind are extremely connected, and a calm, steady breath translates into a calm, clear, more steady, more relaxed mind. And also proper breathing is the best form of psychotherapy. And that is why it's extremely important to build awareness around our breath. So for our full yogic breath, we'll be sitting on our mat with our legs crossed in Sukhasana. And it's important to maintain a long, straight spine here. We'll be starting by building awareness around our diaphragm. So you can place one hand on the stomach, just below the ribs here. And simply observe your breath, your natural breath. For some of us, nothing will happen here. So it may be that we're breathing just by using our chest. But what we want to do is actually start by breathing into our hand. So every time you inhale, you should feel a stomach lift. And every time you exhale, your abdomen draws towards your spine. Inhale. Feel the stomach expanding out. Exhale here. Once you start feeling more awareness around this area, you can move up a little bit more. So we'll be using our side ribs here, and we're gonna try to feel the expansion also of this part of our body. So we start by using the diaphragm once again. You notice that the ribs expand out sideways, and then we exhale. Starting from the diaphragm, the ribs contract as well. And this is exactly the area where we hold courage. Once again, inhale from your diaphragm. Ribs expand out, and this time we'll build awareness into our chest as well. So to create even more space, our breath will rise up from our diaphragm to our ribs to our chest. Every time you exhale, start from here, ribs, chest. Hold. And reverse. Inhale using your diaphragm. Ribs. Chest is full of air. And we reverse. In our chest we hold emotions and feelings. And that is why a lot of times we cannot really breathe by using all this. And we use the breath only by concentrating it in one area, one of the three areas. You can repeat this as many times as it feels comfortable to you. I really recommend to do this in the morning on an empty stomach. That's the best way, at least it works for me. And definitely with time you will notice a release of all the muscle around the diaphragm. And that's extremely important to start building proper breathing habits. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you missed out the first two classes of our breathing series, you can go check it out on my channel. And I hope to see you all next time. Bye.